Namaskar, I'm Dr. Surbhi Sharma. I'm a practicing senior consultant physiotherapist. In this video of mine, I would like to share my approach towards proning. Proning is when we lie down on our belly or we lie down on our stomach. It is the first line treatment and medically proven promising treatment for COVID patients. In home isolation patients, as the doctors really recommend them that you need to monitor your oxygen saturation level using an oximeter. So as soon as you feel that the oxygen saturation level is going below 95, you need to do proning for the patient or for yourself. Now, I would really like to add on here that it doesn't mean that we just need to do proning at the time when the oxygen saturation level is 95. You can also do proning if the oxygen saturation level is 70, 75, 80, 85, anywhere among those. But it should be always kept in mind that the patient should be in its conscious state while doing proning. Taking some more time of yours, I would like to explain you that how proning really helps to increase the oxygen saturation level. So what actually happens in proning is that it's the human anatomy that the lung tissues which are at the back side of the chest, they are more strong as compared to the lung tissues which are in the front of the chest. So the patients who are experiencing a lower oxygen saturation level, they have got some secretions there in their lungs, and those secretions are present at the back side of the chest. So when we ask the patient to lie down on their stomach, what happens is that because of gravity, those secretions, they are pulled towards the front side of the chest, and the good part of the lung, it really becomes free to perform its function. So the lung ventilation increases, and that is the reason how our oxygen saturation level also increases. Now I would like to demonstrate you that how exactly proning is done. In this we require 3 to 4 pillows. 2 pillows should be below the stomach and the hip region, and 1 pillow should be below the shin area and 1 below the head. As you can see in this patient lying down here, 1 pillow is below the shin area, that is the lower leg. 2 pillows are in between, that is to the stomach and to the hip region, and 1 pillow is below the head of the patient. So we need to ask the patient to lie down in this position for at least 30 minutes. Within 5 to 10 minutes of patient lying down in this position, you will feel a change in the oxygen saturation level of the patient. If in between the patient starts feeling a bit of a discomfort, you can change the position, but ideally the patient needs to lie down in this position for 30 minutes. After lying down on the belly position for 30 minutes, we need to ask the patient then to change the position and lie down on the left side for another 15 minutes. Keep monitoring the oxygen levels. They must be increasing. After lying down on the left side for 15 minutes, now we have asked the patient to lie down on the right side for 15 minutes. Keep monitoring the oxygen levels. After lying down for 15 minutes on the right side, now we ask the patient to sit erect, either with 90-degree angle, or the patient can lean back to 60 degrees in a relaxed position for another 15 minutes. This is one cycle of proning, starting from lying down on the belly to lying down on left side, then on right side, and then in the erect position is said to be the one cycle for proning. The patient can do this cycle at least 3 to 4 times in a day to get maximum response. Even you will get a good response after completing one cycle of proning. We should always remember that proning should be done 1 hour after the meals. Now there are some other factors also that we should always keep in mind while doing proning. That proning should not be done in pregnant ladies, not to be done in over obese people. It is also contraindicated if a person is having major cardiac issues or if a person is having DVT. There is a lot of evidence available today to prove us that if proning is done in early conditions, it can avoid hospitalization of patients, and if even done in severe complicated cases of COVID, can avoid the services of ICU to be used. So please, it is my kind request to every one of you that you make it a point that every day you will educate at least 5 to 6 people near you, your friends and your family to learn about proning, so that everyone among us should be aware about that how proning is to be done and how it can help us reduce the mortality rate, which is really increasing in India. In a recent studies, it has been seen in US that 50% of the patients who were admitted in hospital having an oxygen saturation of 80% were, when given supplemental oxygen by cylinders, their saturation level just came to 85%. But then when proning was done, along with that, they saw a drastic change in the oxygen saturation level and it reached 94%. So this is a great evidence to prove that proning really helps in COVID patients and reduce the death rate. Thanks for being with me and watching my video. Hope this video really helps us to come out of this pandemic with a less mortality rate. Praying for all your well-being. Thank you again.